looking back at photographs and frames. Time has written stories on these walls. Every corner holds a different name. And I stand here where the sunlight falls. Through the window watch the seasons change, like the way my heart beats differently now. Though the clock keeps ticking, time feels strange when you're saying words we can't allow. Oh, the distance calls my name, while these rooms still feel the same. La da da, la da da. But I know I can't remain. I need to leave, but my heart stays here. Every step feels like a souvenir. I need to leave, but my heart stays here. Stays here, stays here. Pack away the memories in boxes, leave behind the echoes in these halls. Try to breathe through all the paradoxes of a future wrapped in farewell calls. Running fingers cross familiar spaces, drawing maps of what I leave behind. Trying hard to memorize these places where our moments stayed so intertwined. Oh, the future beckons clear, beckons clear, beckons clear, while the past holds something dear. La da da, la da da. And I know I can't stay near. I need to leave, but my heart stays here. Stays here. Every step feels like a souvenir. I need to leave, but my heart stays here. Stays here. Time won't wait for letting go. These walls won't crumble slow, but pieces of my soul will always show.